Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Tanzila. Subject classroom management and I'm going to discuss about the discipline is the code of classroom learning. First of all, classroom management. Classroom management is defined as method and strategies an educator uses to maintain a classroom environment that is conducive of student success and learning. Discipline. It is defined as a practice of teaching others to obey rules and norms by using punishment for unwanted behavior. In classroom, a teacher uses discipline to ensure routine is maintained, school rules are enforced, and that students are in safe learning environment. Types of discipline. Discipline is the key of effective classroom management and it is divided into three types: preventative discipline, supportive discipline, corrective discipline. Preventative discipline means to prevent class before it starts to misbehave. Supportive discipline means always do not punish students on their misbehaving. Try to support them and make them realize that what is right or what is wrong. Corrective discipline. Correct them on their mistake. Whenever they misbehave or try to do anything wrong, correct them. Reasons of unwanted behavior. Discipline is mostly needed in classroom due to unwanted behavior. And there are three reasons for unwanted behavior: power, attention, revenge. Power. Mostly students try to show teachers that they are powerful. For that, they do misbehaving with teachers, for which we need a discipline in class. Attention. Some students always need attention in class, for that they make jokes and argue with teachers. Revenge. Some students try to take revenge from teachers on the punishment of something. For that, they misbehave with teachers. These are the three reasons for which we try to maintain discipline in class so everything should be correct and there should be a positive environment. Proactive classroom. To make classroom a learning place, we need to make a proactive classroom. Here are the ways by which a proactive classroom may be established: plan, model, rules and procedures, treat students with dignity, build relationship, praises. Proactive classroom is a proactive classroom is created when teachers are going to praise students, appreciate them, and making a relationship with them. Because whenever there is understanding, so students try to obey them and everyone follows them, and a positive environment is created. When these ways are applied, so classroom can be a great place of knowledge with a pleasant environment where students may learn the different things with and without course. Strategies of achieving discipline. Discipline is not about getting students to do what teacher wants them to do. Discipline is providing the positive environment in which positive teaching may occur. Greet students at door. Get students focused. Before you begin any lesson, use positive behavior. Model the behavior teacher wants a student to produce. Use low profile intervention. Conclusion. Classroom is place of learning and discipline makes it easy to learn in a class and make an ideal classroom. This gives them structure for not only classroom but their everyday lives and their futures. Thank you.